All right. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to another edition of the market forecast, market breakdown. This time is for the week of the 19th, 20th of April 2025. I've got some amazing peers, so let's just get into it. Let's first start off with gold. I know everybody likes gold, so let's break down gold. Gold is on a bull run right now. This is the weekly. This is the daily. This is what was happening on Thursday. This was the last trading day. No trading happened on Good Friday, yesterday. So this is how we ended Thursday's trading. The day started off with a bearish candle, but a lot of parts of the day, the bulls came into play and we started back to the upside. So what we had was a bit of a pullback to this trend line here. And it seems like we're going to continue to the upside for gold. All right, so I'm expecting gold to continue this bullish run. The pullback, I believe, has already been completed. So I think that we'll just continue onwards to the upside here. You can still look out for a pullback once again to retest this area on the next opening day. I think that might be Tuesday or Monday afternoon, Monday night into Tuesday. I'm not sure if the markets will open for trading on Sunday night or Monday night, but that's what I expect. I expect it to continue going bullish this upcoming week. And that's so for all the gold peers. Here you have the gold Aussie, gold JPY, GBP gold. I expect them all to remain bullish. My next pair would be the GBP AUD. Now, last week, I was expecting this pair to sell off of this trend line as well as this support. It didn't do much selling, much buying. For most of the week, we were basically going sideways. And then on Friday, this period actually opened for trading on Friday. We had a bullish engulfing candle. So this is what the trades, this is what the pair looked like all week. No real movement here, but consistently rejecting this support area, forming this trend line, and then on Friday it broke through this trend line. Now I'm biased that this will continue going to the upside. So what I want to see is I want to see a rejection. I want to see price come back to this area, reject it, and then make its way up. All right. So I want to pull back a rejection and then continue on to the upside. Once I get that rejection, I know that price is going to go to the upside and I can enter my trade. So my bias is still bullish on this one. Same is true for Euro NZD and GBP NZD. We take a look. Let's go from the daily. See, we're on that trend line. We're on that support region. On the daily, we can see we have just broken that trend line. Same is true via the 4 hours. But once again, what I want to see is price come back to this area, reject it, come back, reject, and then make its way up. So this is another bullish pair. And the same will be true for the GBP NZD. I'm not going to go into that one, but this is what the pair looks like. Broke that trend line. Let's go to the upside. Now, another pair that we're going to take a look at is the USD CAD. This one I'm not too certain of, but I do believe that price is going to sell down. I do believe that price is going to come to this trend line here at the very least. All right. But if we take a look at the DXY, where are you? Still got plenty of room to continue selling. This is the next support region. So I do believe that price will get down to this point, maybe make it all the way down to this trend line, which is also a potential area of support. So if it gets here, it will be resting on both a support and a trend line. But I do believe at the very least price will come to this level. And so that's why I also believe that we're going to continue selling the USD CAD, at least up to this trend line here. So that's another sell. Now, the NZD CHF. This is a tricky one with price over the past few weeks reaching an all-time low. And now we're getting a bit of retracement. Now, how far is it going to retrace? No one knows. Or maybe we might even get to a bullish. But right here, we're sitting on a support. Now, it's possible that price might break through, or price may go to the upside. Price might get bullish once more. We pulled back on Friday, back to this support, but we're currently in a minor uptrend on this pair. This is going to be true also for the AUD CHF. Now, whatever direction the GBP, AUD, and NZD goes to, the NZD CHF and AUD CHF, they're likely to go in the opposite direction. So if the GBP, AUD, and GBP, NZD are bullish, expect these two pairs, NZD CHF, AUD CHF, to be bearish. All right? So look out for that. The AUD CAD, my bias on this one is that it's going to sell, because we're at a support/resistance zone here. All right? We're still currently in a downtrend. We're at a support, we're at a trend line, and that's on the weekly. The same is true for the daily, and we've got some rejection candles here. Notice the last time we had rejection candles at support and trend line, what happened? We sold the pair down. So this here is a strong sell for me. This is a strong sell. So I'm looking for sells on this pair. The same is true for the AUD JPY. We've got a doji candle at trend line, just under support. Sorry, just under resistance. We bring it to the daily. We're at trend line. We haven't broken the highs. At trend line. Rejection candle showing. I believe this is another sell trade. All right. So that's it. Those are my peers for the upcoming week. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I hope you guys come back to my page, like my video, subscribe, share my channel with some of your friends. Goodbye for now.